back, everyone. Today we're gonna make some salsa, and I have everything kind of pre-cut, so it's kind of easier to watch in a kind of different video format. But we're gonna make some habanero salsa. So yeah, but if you don't want it spicy, just don't add the habaneros in. Follow all the other steps, and let's get started.
Now I diced up about 8 tomatoes. They're about medium-sized tomatoes, and you know, 2 little things of lemon juice, 2 habaneros, 2 garlic, some salt, smoked paprika, and blend the ingredients together. Look at that, nice and smooth. Add the cilantro in the bowl and the purple onions and the white onions. And I do this because it keeps the salsa, I guess, red. If you put the pico de gallo in, it turns green. But look at that, everyone.
Too easy, right? How do you like the new format? Was it easier to follow? Just watching me mix the ingredients, I guess. Ooh. Let's try this out. And if you don't want to add the habanero, just, you know, don't add the habanero. Maybe jalapenos or whatever. And let's try this out. Ooh. It's pretty tasty. Let's try one more. That's pretty good. Surprised myself. Let's try this guacamole out. I made this guacamole in a different video, but you know, start making salsa. You know what I mean? I just want some guacamole. Oh, we'll try one more. You see that? It's pretty good. I only added like one regular habanero and like a small one, so it's not too hot. Now obviously you can elect to like not blend the habaneros with the tomatoes. You can just dice it up like we did the cilantro. The reason I don't throw the cilantro in the blender with the onions and stuff, it just because it turns green, you know what I mean? So I like to add it separately so it stays a little chunky. And when you keep this in the fridge for, you know, for 24 hours or to the next morning, it actually tastes a lot better the next day. So yeah. So anyways, have a great night, everyone. Subscribe, take care, and I'll see you in the next video where we're gonna be making, I think, maybe a Bloody Mary or something. So, anyways, everyone, have a great night. I'm gonna enjoy these chips and salsa, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care. All right.